size engine you got?
Steve Link, I used to watch it. My God, he spins it at Pardon there. Did you?
No, they glued it together, actually.
Glued you together.
In Somerset, it's got a 2.4 BDG engine with a ZF.
Yeah, I was in this M3, absolutely fantastic. She is a hell of a driver in the bout, and these will be prime conditions for her. She's absolutely quite rare M3, I think it's an Evo.
They're coming thick and fast. Oh my goodness me! Oh, a big spin! Is that Paula Larissa? Yeah, it is. She's a real quick lady driver indeed, and she was a little bit exuberant there coming out of Orchard there, but she's back running. She's on her way again. She landed on the grass, but no damage done, just to her pride. You could see she was giving it a try, wasn't she?
She certainly was, yeah. And they can be a bit tail happy, these rear-wheel drive BMWs, and I think she just discovered that.
No damage done, so good to see.
It's actually, although, I mean, it wouldn't.
Here she comes in the BMW, this E36 M3. She is a very good driver indeed.
Scared to be honest, but here we are. 58, 68, okay.
Press day, but Scott's going to press the launch control, he's going to dip the clutch and away he goes. And Jimmy, who is well into his 80s.
Where the hell did you learn to drive like that? It's unbelievable. She's always sideways.
Well, thank you. I always loved BMW. I had an E30 back in Romania and like to do this time attack, spins, choke. And I found this one, which I think initially I wanted as a daily driver. And I've done the Prescott hill climb school, and I got a really good feedback from the instructors, and I got confidence. Yeah, I should try it, and I'm so happy with it. Gonna play a game. The grass is lava.
The next guy we get is Paula Luisa Dragosano in the Integra.
Good.
Drive this thing.
brave.
Well, she's with you now. She's with you now.
Rolled around it always actually, so I think there's probably a bit more grip there than the treat. Keep an eye on the time for this, Chris. I'll be interested to see. I think she'll probably make it in under a minute.
Larissa Dragusina has just done a 58.28 to go second in the class.